YouTube is actively removing AI channels in 2026, and most creators don't even know they're breaking the rules. If you run a faceless AI channel and you haven't done one specific thing inside YouTube Studio, your channel could get flagged, demonetized, or removed completely. Today, I'm telling you exactly what that thing is and how to fix it in under 2 minutes. Here's what's happening. YouTube rolled out a policy in 2026 targeting what they call AI-generated content that lacks real human judgment or value. Creators are calling it the AI slop crackdown. Channels that look mass-produced, templated, or purely automated, with no real human input, perspective, or editorial decisions are being flagged. This isn't a ban on AI, it's a ban on lazy AI content with zero human value added. Here's the fix, and it takes literally 2 minutes. Go to YouTube Studio, open any video, click Edit, scroll down to find the section called Altered or Synthetic Content. Turn that toggle on for any video where AI generated or significantly altered realistic content. That's the disclosure switch. Turning it on tells YouTube you're being transparent, and transparent creators are protected, not penalized. Here's the truth. YouTube is not trying to kill AI channels. They're trying to kill channels that deceive viewers. Digital Ivy discloses everything, adds real human value in every tutorial, and operates completely within the rules. Do the same and your channel is completely safe. Turn on that disclosure toggle today, right now before your next upload. Subscribe for more honest AI creator guides every week.